So whether or not it's the allure of a Super Bowl or the American dream, Arizona boy, we can draw quite the crowd.
Yes, we can. And as Jared Dillingham reports, a St. Louis startup believes it has the technology to make cities and border security smarter.
Arizona is a popular destination for sports fans. When tens of thousands come for the Super Bowl or other tournaments, local law enforcement already leans on technology to supplement the obvious police presence. But Don Sharp of Coolfire Solutions says his technology can make police forces feel bigger and reach further.
Give them technology so they can respond faster, more effectively, really save lives.
Coolfire is a software company with a military background. In St. Louis, for example, they have the ability to take eyes like traffic cameras the city already has in place and put them into smart city technology.
It's not all about adding officers. It's about improving the operation.
That idea also applies at the country's southern border.
What you want to do is get eyes on people who are coming across in time to get your Border Patrol agents there.
Andrew Gordon is a Phoenix attorney who worked in Homeland Security during the Obama administration.
The Trump administration keeps talking about building more wall. They have not extended into new areas at all, not a mile of new area.
He says from his perspective, there already is a physical wall where there should be, and where there isn't a wall, there needs to be a virtual one to stop the flow of illegal immigration and drug trafficking. Coolfire is supporting those efforts on the border right now.
So think of an electronic wall, sensors. So they could be motion-activated sensors like infrared. They could be magnetometers that tell when a vehicle crosses the border. Actually, in one of the cases, seismic sensors that can tell a person walking across the border versus a deer.
It's technology they say they know will work because it's already deployed along the Tajikistan border with Afghanistan.
Customer of the Tajikistan border guard that we work with through the U.S. government, who has sensors that connect into our platform. So when somebody or something crosses the border, they know I have to go to this location and figure out what's going on.
The software takes data from a variety of cameras and sensors and gathers it and puts it all in one place. It allows command centers to see exactly what's crossed over and communicate with ground crews, showing them pictures and giving directions.
So once he confirms that those are the bad guys and creates this event, he gives it a unique name, he creates a ground sensor event, he alerts his higher authority, who then can review it and decide what to do.
John Dames, Coolfire's chief technology officer, says sensors are better than a wall for protecting the U.S.-Mexico border and its patrols.
If you can tell them, hey, something just crossed the border here, you need to go look at it. And oh, by the way, if there's cameras in that area, you can actually see what happened. Think about the efficiency, how much more effective they can be with those scarce resources that exist.
That means improved safety for agents along the border, police in cities, and people in neighborhoods.
And that's what our software does across Border Patrol, rental cars, Navy SEALs, and neighborhood security, is it's a force multiplier. I can do more with less.
And there are dozens of tech companies right now working, innovating. They're out there testing the methods to secure our cities and our borders.
Yes, but that technology requires highly trained individuals to understand what is happening and then respond accordingly.